Hi, my name is Lisa Voyle and I'm the Senior Project Officer for the Healthy, Aspiring, Prosperous and Inclusive project. We're a big lottery, community-funded project based within Newydd's community team. We are part of Newydd's community regeneration team and deliver a variety of activities aimed to improve people's general health and well-being. Themes are emotional well-being, physical activity, food and nutrition, and also education, training and employment. The type of activities we deliver within these themes are sing-alongs, family fitness, Pilates, cook-alongs, a variety of activities that aims to improve people's well-being. Since March, we've delivered all our activities online through our Facebook page and Twitter page. We've had participants engage with us from all around the world, from not only Wales, but the rest of the UK, New Zealand, USA, Australia, Ireland and India as well. Since March, we have doubled our likes on our Hapi page to over 3,600, with over 4,000 followers. And our videos have been played for more than 204,000 minutes. Our participants have also completed over 160 online courses during this time. If you've taken part in any of our activities, please let us know what you think. If you haven't taken part, please take a look at what we've got to offer. You are welcome to suggest any new health and wellbeing courses too. We welcome any suggestions.